Good morning to all. Now this is our lesson number 4, angles and pairs of angles. Practice set 15. Now in the previous video we learned points in the interior, points in the exterior. What's the interior points? What's the exterior points? Now we are going to learn how to solve this question. So now look at here. Question number first. Observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. Now look at here. Here one angle AWB. So now the arms of angle is AW and BW, means ray BW and ray AW. These are arms. So now points in the interior. Interior points means जो एंगल के इनसाइड है, एंगल के इनसाइड पार्ट में है. सो नाउ पॉइंट आर, पॉइंट सी, पॉइंट एक्स एंड पॉइंट एन, दिस आर इंटीरियर, जो अंदर के है, जो एंगल के अंदर के साइड पॉइंट्स है उन्हें हम इंटीरियर कहेंगे. सो वी हैव टू राइट पॉइंट आर, पॉइंट सी, point X and point N. So this is our interior point. Now points in the exterior. Exterior means outside of the angle. मतलब एंगल के आउटसाइड, बाहर के हिस्से में जो है वो पॉइंट्स हमें लेने. एक्सटेरियर. सो लुक एट हियर. पॉइंट T, पॉइंट U, point Q, point V and point Y. They are outside. Now G point is on the arm. Look at here. G is on the arm. So which is not outside, which is not belong to exterior. It's belong to points on the arm of. So now first points in the exterior. Which one? Point T, point U, point Q, point V and point Y. So write here point, okay. Now here is no place, so that's why I don't write. You have to write point Y. So now look at here, point on the arm of the angles. So now look at here. From here to till here, A, W, G, B. These are on the arm of the angle. So you have to write all. Point A, point W, point G, point B. Okay. This is your question number first answers. So similarly you have to solve same type of questions. Now question number 2. Name the pairs and name the pairs of adjacent angles in the figures below. So now here two figures, you have to write pair of adjacent angles. So now what we have to check for adjacent angles? We have to check at least one common arm and two separate interior. We want separate interior for that. Okay. So now look at here. This one. So now here three interior, triangle, angle B and C, angle C and A and angle A and B. If I want to take BN common arm, then angle, so which one form? BNA and BNC. This pair form. So now two interior, separate interior, BNA this interior and BNC this interior, two separate arm. one pair common arm and two separate interior here. So now this is adjacent angle. Which one? Angle B N A adjacent to angle BNA and BNC. BNC. If I want to take common arm is NC, then which one? NC means CN. So CN B and CNA. Angle CNA. If I want to take AN common, then angle ANB and angle ANC. So now these two separate interior here for this arm, these two angles and two separate interior. So now what we have to do here for second one? Look at here. For this one, angle RTS, there is no adjacent angle. But now look at here. This one, angle PQR and angle PQT. These two different angle. Common arm is PQ. Common arm is PQ and two separate interior. First PQR interiors this one and PQT interiors here. So now this is one more pair. Angle PQR and angle PQT. Okay. Now question number 3. Are the following pairs adjacent angles? If not, state the reason. What we have to do here? We have to find out the pair is adjacent or not. If yes, then we have to write yes, pairs are adjacent. If no, then we have to find out why is it not adjacent angles. We have to find out why not. Okay. So now first one. Look at here. Angle PMQ and angle RMQ. First P, M and Q. This is our first angle. So ignore this one. Now next is RMQ. So RMQ. For this, ignore this one. So look at here. Look at here. P, M, Q and RMQ. So now for PMQ, this one interior and for RMQ, this is interior. Means separate interior. ये इससे अलग है, दोनों का सेपरेट इंटीरियर है. ये PMQ का इंटीरियर ये वाला है और RMQ का इंटीरियर ये है. तो इन दोनों का सेपरेट इंटीरियर है और MQ ये सेम आर्म है. तो हम इसे क्या बोलेंगे? यस, पेयर्स आर एडजेसेंट. क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे सेम इंटीरियर नहीं है बट कॉमन है. क्या है? MQ आर्म हमारा कॉमन है. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट angle RMQ and angle SMR. RMQ and SMR. Look at here. R is here, MQ and then SMR. For RMQ, hold this part. Okay, for from R, M, Q, this all part, and again S, M, R, this part. So this is interior, same interior belongs to same interior. These two angles for R, M, Q and S, M, R. This part is same. So because of that, this pair are not adjacent. So pairs are not adjacent. Why? Because the interiors are not separate. Okay. Now look at the question number 3. Angle RMS, RMS, RMT, RMT. Again look at here. RMS this side and RMT means whole this. Means this again common. This part again common here. RMS and RMT. RMS part common here. So there is no separate interior. Again some interior is common. So pairs are not adjacent because the interiors are not separate. Okay. So now fourth one for you have to solve. Thank you.